Can I be that? Like, can I be that? Like, can I be that? Like, can I be that? Can I be that? Like, can I be that? Like, am I live? Hello? Hey, backward air. Okay, whatever. I'm working on Redbox again. I made a lot of progress. Okay. I'm gonna show it. Hold on. I should really get my stream on my phone so I can see chat. There we go. Gonna be that like, gonna be that like. Okay. So I've been like uploading everything to GitHub. You can download it right now if you want. Like I've made a lot of progress. Yo, what's up? I'm trying to figure out how to see my other versions. I just completely forgot. Can I read it? Like, can I read it? Like, can I read? Can I read? Dude, why is it taking so long? Can I just see all my commits? Like, what is going on? I swear I used to be able to see it. History. Yes! Yeah, look, I've been doing a lot. Just stopped streaming on Twitch? Cool. How'd it go? Okay, where did I leave off? Like here? One viewer for you? Oh, dang. Did I... What did Redbox look like last time? I don't know if you were here. Also, how do I... Can I download this? Can I be... Like, can I be... Can I be... I just want to copy all of this. Redbox. Yeah. Whoa, that's a lot. Wait, hold on. That's not all of it. There. Oh, there's a little preview in the bottom of what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looked like last time. Yeah, okay, this is what it looked like last time. I think. Do you remember this now? Why is left and right not moving? I just can't move. Oh. I honestly, I should have done more streams on this. Why am I not able to move? Like at all? Well, it doesn't matter because I'm not using this version. Because it looks like this now. I don't have any map right now, but that's what I'm working on. Well, do I have a version of it that works? No, I'm working on a map editor. I just think it's huge. How many lines? 309. Yeah, so I made a lot of progress. I should have shown more of it. But I don't know. I didn't think I was gonna make that much progress that fast. I thought maybe I'd have like a little bit, but like no, I'm working on map, like whatever. There's this there's this thing called SAT collision. What it pretty much does, that is an asteroid. That's a satellite. What it does is you're gonna get some. All right. I'm just gonna be explaining what I'm doing today. Pretty much. First of all, I'm trying to figure out how to use JSON files. I don't know if they're called JSON files. I'm just gonna call them JSON, like JSON files. I don't know how people pronounce them, but I want to have a way to show, like, so I got my X position, Y position, X scale, Y scale, and then I got the rotation. And I'm going to be doing it for all the objects, so it'd be like a bunch, like I'd have like that. And let's say we had like, this one was at like 50, and then it was like -10, and then it was 300, like 20, like really thin. This is like 45 degrees. This one can be at like 0 and be like really thin. But like 125. There. So pretty much it's just, these are all their own boxes, and if a full map would just have a bunch of these. I was trying to like figure out how to like optimize with like compression, but it just like made it longer. I don't know, this is pretty compressed already. And you know, you can make your own maps. Whatever. I'm not working on the map editor right now. Actually, I can show it what I got so far. It's just simple. I got like a grid. You can like go around, zoom in and out. I don't know why the center's on the cross still, but yeah. Well, whatever. I'll do that. Maybe I'll work on it more tomorrow. But I need to get the map loaded in here. And again, I'm still really like new to Python, so I forgot what I was gonna say. Whatever. My map is only rectangles, so I should probably let's draw an image. How about that? Okay, so let me just get my graphics tablet. I want to explain what's going on today. Mark Zuckerberg? Okay, so why is it running so bad? Yo. Mark Zuckerberg? No, he not. Yo, what is going on? Mark Zuckerberg? It's like... Okay, I'm just gonna do it with my mouse. I don't know what's wrong with Mark Zuckerberg. No, he not. Okay, so here's my rectangle. Alright, here's my rectangle. It can like rotate. What the separating axis theorem is pretty much every single like every concave shape, you know, has, well, every shape has normals. Okay, that's the yellow lines here. No matter, you know, they'll always be straight like this. If like, you can have any shape, but I'm just doing rectangles because it's easier. If you had a shape like this, right, the normals would be perpendicular to every face. like that. Do I play VR? I mean, I have a VR. I just don't play it that often anymore. So, anyways, with this, actually this is perfect because now I got like a box and something that, grab VR. Dude, I used to play that game a lot. Yeah. I used to play Rec Room a lot. I got a featured room one time, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to explain this. um, anyways, the separating axis theorem. You pretty much you look along the axis of any shape. Hold on, let me just duplicate this. Let's say these two are touching. All right. The problem is like how do you tell that these are touching? Right? I mean, with your eyes you can look at it and say, okay, yeah, they're touching, obviously, right? But how do you explain that in like code? I don't know either. I'm trying to figure that out still. But what you do is you look perpendicular to every single face. You know, most people know what perpendicular is. If you have a line perpendicular, it's just like the other axis, like that way. So you look perpendicular to every single one. For example, for every face on every object. So for this cube, you'd look like along this path, and you'd find the overlap. The overlap is only here. Okay, this can be kind of hard to illustrate, but if you have a line like this, let's say only like this line here, that's the amount of overlap. Or, right? Yeah. No. Sorry. This is the amount of overlap. Because it's like projected through the cube, through the box. Because, yeah, okay, it's a little complicated, and I'm just drawing on the wrong layer. That's pretty great. If I copy these, you pretty much squish them along each axis, like this. Well, you kind of, I don't know how to explain it visually, but if you just see the amount of overlap in each axis. Can I find like a good diagram? These all kind of suck. Yeah, like this. The amount of overlap is like you look along each face. But since for my case they're only rectangles, I'd only need to look along one axis. As this made more sense in my head before I started talking, but let's say you're projecting like a shadow, okay? The shadow would go along here, and God, this sucks, dude. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm not a good teacher. I just realized that. Hello. But you'd look. Oh, this would be better to explain in Blender. What is going on? That was kind of scary. I just want to quickly explain it. I don't know, man. One second. Don't worry about my tab. My memory is actually doing fine. I've got a good computer. Anyways, okay. So, say we got like we got our cube. Let's just flatten it real quick. We got our cube. We got our other shape, right? Dude, hold on. Okay. Dude, okay. This is our cube. And let's say we have another shape. Something weird like that. It has to be concave. By the way, if you don't know, a concave shape is a shape with no interior angles. If I did this, it's concave or convex. This is convex and this is concave because it goes in. Here there'd be a. It's pretty much it could be like. I don't know how to actually explain concave and convex. This is convex because there's there's nothing going in. There's no like whatever. Okay. If you take the box, you see how they're touching here? How do you explain this in this sense of like whatever? Now they're 2D, right? But I can extrude them so that you can see them more clearly in 3D. If I do this, do you see how when two things overlap each other, it becomes darker? Wait, can I just take off the lines? Let it go. Bro, where is it? I just don't. Okay, this is our objects. These are our objects. Do you see how when two objects overlap, it becomes like darker or lighter, right? You got like a gray and then you got like a lighter gray here. What the computer does is it looks along every axis. For example, let me turn to orthographic here. You'd look parallel to every face. The face is only like the sides here, because in real life it's 2D, or like in our actual scenario. But this also works in 3D. So first we start off with like this face, and you look perpendicular, which would be the normal or whatever. So if you look along here, there's like this much overlap. All right, and then you do it for the other side, and then you'd get this much overlap. If every axis you check has overlap, then they are touching. So for like this face, we go perpendicular so that it looks flat, that much, and then we go for this one. Right, you just do every single face. If they're every single time you do that, they're touching, then they're overlapping. Otherwise, they're not touching. Dude, this is so stupid. Why am I doing this? For example, if here, if you look along this axis, they're touching, right? This one they're touching, but if you look along here, there's a gap. They're not touching. Pretty cool, huh? No, it's not. It really isn't cool, but what you do is you get the smallest overlap, which in this case would be probably here, and then you would move it out that much. Wait, you'd move it out that much, and now it's not touching. You see that? We just pushed it out of the block. And what you do is you give it the amount of velocity, like the difference from here, and then it would go like here, and then it would kind of come out. That's how you do like collisions and stuff. I don't know if that made any sense. Okay, hopefully you kind of understand more what I'm trying to do. I don't know how I'm going to do it. What most people do is they'll flatten it along an axis. Like, flatten it like that. It's the same way as just like looking down an axis like that. If I flattened it like here, dude, how do I? You see how this is the same as just like looking down this way? It's just like the same thing, and then you calculate the overlap, which I don't really know how to do. This could help though. Maybe. I just want to be able to see the boxes first. We'll do collisions after. I've got kind of like an iffy system. But yeah. Hopefully, okay, when the boxes start showing up again, it'll make a lot more sense. That was just a whole lot of nothing. Where was I? What was I actually doing before I started streaming? I'm trying to use JSON files. Where is it? Okay, here. And it gets each data thing, bobber, and it like creates a box with it. I have a class for the box. I'm just trying to draw it. Okay, no image. It's gonna be a lot of Google searching though. Ah. Have you guys listened to Jacob Collier? Dude, he is such a good artist. Oh my god, my phone keeps falling over. Stop. Okay. Alright, co-pilot, stupid slop. Teach me how to do it. Image surface. Oh my god, I don't have image. It's a solid color. Got it, M dash. If you don't have an image, still create a solid color surface. So it just what if I want to rotate it? Come on, Copilot. I don't vibe code, by the way. I just like study what it did, try to figure it out. I hate vibe coding so much. Surface angle. Okay, well, obviously, like, dude. What is it doing? Surface. Rec surface. What is rec surface? Okay. Then it fills the surface. This is where the stream kind of gets boring, but... So I fill it with my color. Me when I step on the Lego. Then there's an angle rotated surface. I don't know what's going on. I guess we do, yeah, okay, fill it. What color should I be doing? 150. You hear the ice cream truck? Go get some ice cream, man. Wait, hold on. No, it's a rectangle surface, though. Center equals XY? Like, okay, whatever, man. What do I gotta do? Like, rotate it again? What? Dude. Okay, wait. Self dot rotated surface. Equals. Rotate, and then we do our surface and the rotation. Rotated. The Google screensaver hit the corner? What do you mean Google screensaver? Okay, what am I doing? That's the whatever. Mask from rotated surface, bro. Wait, hold on. Wait, why would I update it? This doesn't matter actually, because I'm not rotating. I'm not updating it. That was before, because I would just have like an image file, but now I'm like, it's like JSON files. JSON. Wait, does clock tick limit FPS? Thank God I don't have that. The thing is, I'm doing draw because it's like JSON. What, JSON? JSON. JSON file. Whatever. Do I blit it or do I draw it? Cause I'm treating it like it's a surface, but it's actually a sprite. Does this work with? Hold on. I'm just gonna like remove everything. I just wanna see. Yeah, that should work. Dude, I hate AI though. Like, it's helpful, but like... Approach? Dude, I hate that word. Approach. This approach. That approach. Class. Sprite. Self.angle. Original image? Wait, hold on. Wait, what? Are you telling me that I can use... It counts as an image? Let's use image instead. This isn't gonna work, I don't think. Go in here, pick my map. Module object is not callable. What? I'm kind of confused. What? Wait. Hold on. Dude. God. Wait, where's the error? Yeah, the image. Surface with height. Just make it the color. Like, what? Oh, it wasn't closed. Get off my screen, man. Module object is not callable. I don't understand what it means by that. Where's the module? What? Width, height. What? Where is it? Did I do it wrong? Oh. Box has no attribute rotate underscore image. Oh. I'm such a chud. What? Am I on an object? Or what's going on here? I'm like in an object. I just can't see it. Yeah, that's what red box is. I'm inside of something. What? Oh, it's because it's not drawing it at the right spot. Also, I need to update it. Every single frame we need to go through every single thing in the group. I need to update it. Update should just... Can't you just do this? Box has no attribute surface. Oh, it's because I changed it to image. There's still no box. We'll do self.screen position. Vector 2. Then we'll do hello WC. Why did the song just change like that? That was kind of scary. That's amazing, lo-fi girl, bro. I gotta have something in the background, or it's like It's like creepily quiet. Where's my thing? Here. If map data for I in map data. Wait, no. If map data for map group I dot update. Map data is not defined. Dude, get out. Where is it? I thought I defined it. It's right there. Am I coding a game? Yeah. Let's try again. Thank you. Where's my thing? There it is. Update. And then when that's done, we do app underscore group, draw screen. Ew, why is there, what is it doing? Why, why are there two boxes? Whatever, man. I don't know what's going on. Go into my files. I don't know how many people are going to be playing this game, but what type of game is it? Hopefully it's like a physics platformer. Why is there another box there? Also, it's continually drawing the map. Let's just try it without that. Okay, so it's something wrong with the map underscore group. I don't know why there's an issue with that. We got player box and we got that kind of box. The box should be nothing and then it gets filled. I don't know where red box is coming from though. Why is it it's just like appearing. Right? Where is it? Drawing red box. That's like the name of like the player. Am I blidding it? Or am I... Do I sound like I'm crazy? I don't know why it's called that. Oh, red box! Why is that there, dude? Dang it. Box has no attribute rotated surface. Do you mean rotated image? I did. What am I looking for? I think we're making a little bit of progress. That's the map. It's not in the right spot. But that is it. That's what I was trying to... Look at that. It's right there. Also, the reason why it's lagging so bad is because I'm printing it every single time. Once I remove that, it should run fine. Because I'm hoping you guys can make your own maps and like share them and stuff. If you guys would want to do that. This game's gonna be completely free, by the way. Best case scenario, it's a browser game, but I don't think that's happening. Okay, so there's the map. It's just not in the right spot. Get rectangle. We'll do self dot screen position. That doesn't need to be in parentheses, but oh, why is it doing that? Is it plus World Center? I completely forgot how to get something to be on the screen in the right spot. What? Oh. Plus? Let's try loading it. This is the map! Look! It's right there! I did it, dude! I loaded a map from a JSON file. You were working on a Plants vs. Zombies Scratch fan game. And played on mobile, it wasn't working right, so you gave up on the whole project? It's because it had to be played on laptop. We could have just added like mobile support. If you're interested in Scratch, definitely try out Python. I mean, it's completely different, but like, if you're doing complicated stuff and whatever, then, dude, I have this file, and I turned it into a game. Okay, hold on. I want to try something at 0, 0. I could have just like reloaded it. Okay, where? When I click R, where is Redbox? Dude, where is it? Problem with the grid system on mobile, you hold onto the seed, it places it in the center. Sometimes it doesn't go into the exact grid position. Can you just like snap it? You just divide it, round it, and then multiply it. But that's how you can lock stuff into a grid, by the way. Like if you need something to be in increments, back in a Krita, if you have like a grid, right, of like specific increments, and you have an object that you need to get in its like a specific spot, like you got like an object here, right, and you want it to be here, right, like the closest spot, or actually let's say it's actually here. What you do is you divide it by the size of your grid, so like the pixel space between here. You round it and then you multiply it by the grid space, and then it'll show up like this on the grid. And if it's not, if it ends up right in the middle here, then you just divide. Oh my goodness, dude! You subtract half the grid size on both directions, and then it ends up here. Pretty cool. So if you ever need like a grid system, like an inventory, that's how you like lock stuff to the specific tiles, like coordinates. And if the grid's offset, just offset this, the new position by that much, and it works every time. It's genius. I'm actually working on a map editor. I don't know if I showed it, but using the same system here to snap the grid, because in reality this grid, like, this isn't like a huge grid. I'm redrawing it every time. Like, piece tiles that are here appear on like the other side and stuff, so it looks infinite. It's pretty cool. For now, the second version of Plants vs. Zombie Untitled available for computer. Thank you for the advice. Yeah, no problem, man. Good luck if you're still working on it. I don't need this map editor open because I'm not making it right now. What was I doing? I keep getting sidetracked. Oh, I was trying to figure out where red box is getting put for our... Oh, red box is going to 0, 0. That's weird. Why? It's, well, when it's drawing my boxes, they're not at 0, 0. Maybe when they're updated. Where is it, dude? It's just so much code. Plus the camera. With that. Get this. Load it. And it's gone. I don't know where it went. Okay, well, that just like evened out. Now it's in the middle of the screen. Wait, what if I add the window? Think that'll work? Genius. Is collision working? Look at that. That is exactly where I need it to be. Right there. Collisions are kind of working. I can tell they're like a little off, but... Cool game you're making? Thank you. Collisions are kind of working, but I can just like jump off. By the way, for those who don't know, this is based off a Scratch game I made. I was working on it. Just got so tedious to make it on Scratch that I just like switched. Yeah, I switched. I remade it in Python. This works surprisingly well. I was gonna make it in GlowScript, but GlowScript doesn't support sound effects, and I love making audio, so that just like wasn't a viable option. Yeah, I make games in Scratch. Also, Scratch is just a nightmare. Like, look at this, dude. It's just like a pile of... It's like a Lego carpet, right? When you're like a kid and you have like a bunch of Lego like spread out on the ground. It's pretty much just what it is. You got like random chunks that I'll never use again, and like you got like a house and like a truck and like stupid stuff. It's pretty much that's what it is. Like Python, it's all like, you know, together. I tried making my Python version as close as it could to the Scratch version. The rotation system is exact. Like, as close as it could have been. You're very used to Scratch's way of coding games? Yeah. I mean, it's possible to compile Scratch to JavaScript, so I'm sure those are pretty close if you want to get into an actual coding language. I think JavaScript would be good. Yeah, but like the collision here is like really, really good. And it just uses images, which is not an option for Python. Or, I mean, at least the way that I do it here. This works surprisingly well. Back to new red box. Reload my new file. Yeah, I got this insanely close too. That's the wrong cloud. It's supposed to be this sprite. I even got like the shadow working. Oh, that's Blender. Here's my stupid map, whatever. By the way, I've got like versions that kind of work on GitHub. If you guys want to mess around, branch off and stuff. I don't know. I mean, maybe don't do that yet because this game isn't done, but yeah, whatever. Time for... I just noticed that they're not rotated at all. Actually. Whatever. Okay, so I got my rectangles in the right spot. For chicken, cheese, tomato, taco, man. Thank you. I've got all these coordinates, but they're not actually rotated, like at all. Also, I should support different colors. I think that'd be... What do you mean, thank you? Yeah, thank you. It was code for something else? What? Wait, what's... I'm confused, man. Never mind. Whatever. I think in red box. Oops. Let's load it again. There we go. Oh, it's offsetting like everything by a little bit. And my map system's kind of working. Why is it's not updating the mask correctly though? Like it's mask from rotated image. Say it out loud. What? Chicken, cheese, tomato, taco, man? What? Whatever. I'm getting so sidetracked. Why is it not showing it? Like, you can tell it's kind of working, but it's like... It's like barely working. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. This was an issue I had before, where it just like straight up wasn't working at all. Like the hitbox of the map is completely different from where it actually is. I forget how I fixed that though. Wait. Made your first HTML page last week? Nice job, man. I mean, I've yet to learn HTML. Yeah, it just doesn't work at all. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah, rotated image, not image rotated. Dang it! Invalid rec assignment. Wait, what am I doing? I was setting it to... Oh, I broke it. It has no attribute screen. What? What do you mean? Oh, dot screen dot to position. Underscore. Since Scratch's search system ain't the best, I thought of links to projects. What? Did I fix it? Oh, not at all. It's still broken. Wait. No, wait, I did fix it. A little? I don't know if I fixed it, actually. Wait. Look at this. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but the hitboxes are rotated. The hitboxes are rotated, but the actual rectangles aren't. That's actually really weird. Why is it not drawing it correctly? Add new box. New box. Dot. Rotated image. This isn't gonna work. It's just gonna break. Right. The problem is it's... Wait. I have to go to dinner, but I think... Rotate image, get rectangle. What did it do here? Center equals self dot rec dot center. I don't know what's going on. What does all sprites update do in this stupid little thing? Oh. Okay, well, I gotta go eat dinner. I'll be right back. I'll just be like a minute. Hold on. Sorry, it took me a little bit. Wait. I'll do something. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Dang it, dude. I lost all my viewers. Actually, I'm gonna take a break for a sec. I'm gonna eat and then I'll come back. Alright, I'll be right back. Hold on. Hello. Hold on. Ow. Okay. Okay, so quick recap before I went on my long break. The map system works, but hold on. Do my hairs. Map system kind of works, but the actual rectangles aren't rotated. Can I get that huge bar off the side of my screen? Thanks. And right now I was trying to figure out how to rotate it. What was the old version PVZ blocks, right now adding potato mine to the game. I've never actually played Plants vs Zombies. Dude, there's something in my keyboard. Thanks. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna try to open my map. There it is. And they're not rotated still. I can tell the hitboxes are rotated because see up here I can hover here, but if I go to the left I can't be up that high, which means that it's like an angle. I can't put my mouse up there because I hit it, but actually I'm just gonna turn it on. Where is it? Right there. Cool. So it's like loading the rectangle. Hold on. Angle. Self dot angle. I don't know why it's doing that. So it updates it, I think. Hold on. Let me just see what it like. I don't even know if this works, but may have used a site tutorial for making parts, but at least it's not as bad. Oh, yeah, it's AI upscales are pretty bad. Also, why would you upscale a game like that? It's pretty much pixel art at its scale. Okay, wait, what am I do? I keep forgetting what I'm doing. The rectangle is the rotated version. Good, rectangle, center. Let's do center equals. Oh, here it's doing self.rect.center. But up here, the center is the position. Maybe so it stays consistent? It's not even in the right spot. That's stupid AI. I noticed that sometimes it does super in it. Does anyone know what that is? Like why? What is super in it? It's used to refer to the parent or class. Turns a proxy object that delegates method calls to the next class and the MP. I don't know. I would have those things, man. What? Is super in it just saying like to initiate itself? Let's load it. Yeah, why are they not rotated? Should I just like feed it into Copilot or whatever? Yeah, because I want it to be... Why aren't they rotated? I mean, okay. Well, there is a mask. Puts it... like that? I don't think that's gonna work. It worked. I would have used bitmap for the sprites, but vector easier sprite animation. Yeah, I guess so. Dest? How to turn surface or mask into dude. Sorry about that. Sorry. Mask is binary 1 bit. You use 2 underscore surface. Wait, so I did the right thing. 2 underscore surface. Yeah, right? Mask to surface. Set color. I don't know what any of that means. Alright, let's try it again. Function missing dest. Am I blighting it or am I loading it? So, oh! Ooh, I didn't give it a position. Visible mask. And then we'll just do self dot screen position. See it again. Okay, so that's the hitbox. You see that? No, no, it's actually not. That's how they should be. City boy. Okay, bro, shut up. Self dot size divided by 2. City boy. No. It's like almost correct, but it's like not. That's not even in the same spot. You see that? Why is it? What is going on? It's comparing the mask. As when the mask is self that screened up position. Shouldn't it be this? Subtract self.size divided by 2? Right? Would that make more sense? Because now it's in the middle. No. That should be top left. Dude, this is so annoying. No, it just doesn't work. Wait. No. See, like when I think it works, then I just like fall through it. This was the issue I had before. It's all happening again. And I forgot how I fixed it. Well, before the issue was that I was using like a sprite group. How do I draw the position here? So I shouldn't be drawing it every single... Wait. No, like that. There we go. What am I looking at? Like it... Oh, it's there. Do you see that? Like, this, like, line is right here in reality. When I come up like this, and when I'm actually on is this thing. Okay, so these are in the right spot. The mask is in the wrong spot. Okay. That's what the mask is. That's what the point of the mask is. Okay, let's load this again. Get rect only accepts keyword increments. Wait. Rect or self dot rect. Try it again. Try it again. Try it again. Invalid rec assignment. Like what's going on? All right, load it. Is that it? No, it's like a little wrong. You see that? It's very close. But it's just like it's not right. Wait, what am I even on here? Where am I? Everything in here is just being so weird. Okay, let's like not do that. What? Dude, what is going on? That's it. Look at that. That's it. That's it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the actual hitbox. That's the actual hitbox right there. Yo. Oh, dude, I love when it just finally works. Oh my god. Okay, now I need the orange to be where the white is. Can I do I change the order of it to be like sun, pea, cherry, wall, and mine? Or do I keep it sun, pea, wall, cherry, and mine? I don't play Plants vs. Zombies. I don't know, man. Whatever feels right to you. Okay, dude, shut up. What am I doing? When it draws the sprite group, it's drawing the rectangle. I need it to draw the mask. Sorry. To surface. What happens here? Oh. Okay. I mean, that, yeah. That works. Sure. I can use the mask as the shadow. Dude. This is kind of crazy though. Like the fact that I'm making a video game. Oh my god. It's happening, dude. I'm actually making a video game. Oh, my phone just fell over. We're doing it, man. We're doing it. Set color, unset color. Okay, so we got the mask. I know where to like turn it into like a flat color, but wait, but these are all separate, right? I have the rotation. Do you have R, G, and B? Or is that like a bad way of doing this? Dude, this is kind of... I can't believe this is happening. It's probably the worst way to do it, but I don't care anymore. Alright, let's do color picker. And we're not going to use this one. We're going to use Google. We're going to use Google. Alright, let's say, okay, yeah, one of them will be green. We do this in here. It's a bunch of data. One of them will be pink. Take a break from building my GD level because making it like near impossible. Okay. Last one can be yellow. They're all gonna have like an outline on the outside, but I want them to like... You should be able to, you know, make cool stuff. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. What am I doing? Into my JSON file. Save it. Here. Where's like the map stuff? Three missing positional requirements. Right, okay. Wait, what? Oh! I5, I6, I7. Is this entertaining for y'all? I guess it's kind of like you kind of like rooting for me. Tuple has no attribute R. Oh, that's true. Let's see it. Give me my colors. Yes! There they are. Okay, now I don't need to draw them all stupid like this. Because the thing I'm colliding with is just the mask. Right? Like, it doesn't really matter. Okay, get rid of that orange. Uh-oh. Load it again. They have to be like fully visible or it just like doesn't work. You join the Discord? Thank you, man. Thank you. Actually, I think what I do here is I just like don't draw it at all. Just like leave it. Look, it's my blacks. Let's go. Dude, we're making a map. Now I just need to make collision work. Okay, now this system that I have here is kind of bad, but don't worry, you're not going to be like doing it manually. So I'm making a map editor. Sorry, I'm just like messing around. This is great. Honestly, I'm so happy I finally. Okay, where's my like shadows? Screen.blit that. Okay, so we blit the map first. Then we draw shadows. Yeah, like that. Dude, it's happening. It's happening. Mask from surface. Wait, we should have update, and then we should have draw, I think. Do I really need a silhouette for every single one? Um... Oh, I'm blending it every time. I don't know, I dot. Basic part of Plants vs. Zombies, plant seeds to fight the zombies that spawn. You need sun for the seeds you plant. Let's not let the zombies into your house. Okay. Cool. I would freak out if this worked first try. It doesn't work. Argument 1. Not a mask. Mask from surface. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, it's visible mask. They have a shadow. Oh, well, their shadows are colored. I mean, that's still really cool. Not what I'm, looking for, though. Wait, what? Oh. Invalid rect style object. So we're just gonna do mask. All this. Mask from surface. Argument mode must be surface. There's a shadow. Look at that. Oh my god. It's happening. I already said that. Oh my goodness, dude. Now we're gonna make an outline. Shouldn't be too difficult. I think I should work on my physics first. Dude, I'm just so stoked. I tried to post a vid of your level to Discord, but it won't let you. What do you mean? Like, you don't have, like, permission? Well, go to, like, Geometry Dash. I don't think it's showing up my screen. I think it's, like, purposely hidden, but go to the Geometry Dash in discussion and make, like, a new thing, and then upload your file there. Yeah. Dude, but we got maps working. I mean, it's just like rectangles. You're trying, but Steam won't let you export it. Oh. Why don't you just record it in like OBS? What are you using Steam for? Okay, enough messing around. I have def draw. We're gonna do draw inner. Or draw, no, that's draw outer. We'll do def draw inner. Excuse me. If you want to see an early version of Plants vs. Zombies, and I'll let you finish it, man. You got the rectangle, then the mask. We'll do self dot inner image equals pygame dot surface. And we'll do max 0 width minus 10. Then we'll do max height minus 10. Pygame.crc alpha src alpha. You give me the link? Okay. When you're done. What is happening? I'm working on a game. do not understand code. That's fair. We'll do minus $15. No, that's outer. Okay, now when I do for each draw, we do draw inner, draw outer, and then down here draw outer, and then when that's done, we do for I in map underscore group again. Why is it coming out all the way over here? I think it's gonna error. I dot draw inner. That's why. Please work. Int object is not iterable. Oh, max height minus 10. Yeah, I didn't. Size needs to be a number. Number width, number height. Okay. What? Well, that's my number for that. It's the maximum of this, right? Unless you want me to go int. No. Num? Size needs to be a number. What? So the surface is max of this, max of that. Okay, they both need to be in yeah, like that. That should work. Please? Invalid color argument. Set color. What? Self-thought. Inner, what? I think I need to do... don't exactly understand what I'm doing. I'm just like doing it. I don't know, it just feels like I should be doing this. Invisible inner mask. Invalid color argument. What do you mean? Well, let's just do it like this. There it is. Let's just like mix it up. Okay. I should be drawing inner after outer. What's going on, dude? It's just like not working. What if I only draw... Wait. What? What is going on? Self that visible inner mask. Inner mask is... Oh my god. Dude. Dang it. I think that was the issue. Yeah, look at that. I mean, it's not in the right spot. But you can tell it's like shrunk. Is it the same thickness for everyone? I don't really know, honestly. I just know that they're not in the right spot. There's a bug where you can kill the zombies while you're planting the mine. Oh. It's gonna error. It didn't. One minus 15. 2. That's 15. Invalid color argument. Yeah. Like, for a lot of variables in your game or mine? Also, why is this not working? It's just like a number. Invalid color argument. What? I can't add or subtract? Now they're the same color. They're in the wrong spot. How about that? Okay, I just want to see this value. What is it? It's a number! It's a number! Minus 15. Now it works. Randomly. Now it doesn't work. Oh, one of the colors is below 10. When it subtracts 15, it doesn't work. Max 0 dot. They don't look any darker. Oh, minus 100. Okay, that proves it's not doing anything. Stop that inner mask. No. Dude, oh, this is so annoying. Yes! There it is. Do minus like 75. No, minus 50. What is going on though? It's like scaling it in the wrong spot. No. This is pretty much all game development is. It's just back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back. It's not even in the right spot. Oh my god, I know why. No way. There it is. Well, it's a little wrong, but I mean, that's closer now. I think that's just an issue with whatever. Look at that. Wow. What? 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 I just turned off shadows and now the collision's working. What? That's like a creepypasta. What? Why is it doing that? Where are the shadows? Shadow canvas split. It's like everything's just breaking. Oh. No, 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 stop. Like the shadows on the box, if there were shadows on the box? What? I turn off shadows and it still works. It's for optimization because sometimes it just like doesn't work. Look at that though. Okay, now the outline isn't perfect. It's kind of irritating me. Center. Yeah, that wouldn't have been that easy. Is the box supposed to slowly face through the ground? No, I haven't gotten to collisions yet. I should be getting into that right now, though. I just don't know how to do the math. I understand how it works. I explained it earlier, but I don't know how to actually do it. I really don't like how the lines are like off. It's like kind of ugly. A goop thing with that property? Maybe. I'll think about it. Hold on. It's just not in the right spot. I don't even think this matters. Because I'm just like setting it. Wait, hold on. Self-left screen position. I'm so confused what's going on, actually. I'm not even using Interac. Ever. What? When do I ever use rec? I don't know why it's off. Whatever. We got boxes. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna add a ground. I want to be at 0. No. Yeah, 0. Negative 100. Negative 1,000, actually. It's gonna be very wide. It's gonna be kind of thin. It's gonna be 0. Then we're gonna do 50. 50. I should not be editing this manually. Because it's up high because it sucks. What I could do with red box is just reload the map. There it is. There's our ground. I kind of want gradients inside, but I don't know how to do that. Oh, this is so tedious. I kind of want them blue shifted, so what I'm going to do is instead of this, it's RGB. I just want to do this just so it's easier for me. I don't know why it's over there. Let's make sure it still works, actually. Yeah, it works. Turn off shadows, it runs actually so much faster. Water property? Yeah, I just want to like get physics working first. I can add custom materials after. I want all of them to be like blue shifted, so it'd be R, G, B. So if I want them blue shifted, then I should subtract less of the other colors. No. Less of blue, more of the other colors. That might be too blue shifted. You see, it just like looks a little bit more vibrant. Okay, now I need physics working. Dude, shadows, I think my shadow system's horrible. Like, genuinely, it's really, really bad. Because, like, I'm lagging, and I only have, like, 3 objects. I just gotta keep jumping or else the physics won't work. Or should I procrastinate? Because I can go work on my map making system. But I probably shouldn't. Dude, what am I doing? Dang, right on the edge. Okay, what am I? I'm sorry, dude. What am I doing? I don't know how to make it. I don't know how to actually get the difference. without it like lagging horribly. Because if it's lagging on my computer, then something is wrong. And I'm not even printing a lot. It's just horribly unoptimized. Like it's really bad, I think. Well, I guess every single time. Well, am I calling the? I'm not calling the box every time. Every time I update it, it turns a surface into a mask. That's pretty bad. I shouldn't be doing it like that. That looks nicer, I guess. It doesn't even matter. Can AI just do it for me? Probably not. Implement it manually. I only have 2 rectangles that are drawn as surfaces and turned into sprites. Axis equals edge 1. They aren't polygons though. They're rectangles, dude. Y position, width, height, and rotation. Come on, man. I just need like a reference point. I don't even know where to start. Because every single like video for Pi game is just for like baby stuff. Like it's just like rectangles aligned to the grid, and it's stupid. Come on, dude. Stupid AI. Because I can get if I'm colliding. I just gotta get what to do. Like, where to push myself out. Dude. Can you check Discord for the clip you posted? Sure. What the heck? Make a near impossible level to a Vocaloid song. Cool. Wait, hold on. Dude, what is all of this? Draw rotated rect? Like, this is so much. I don't need a whole system. I just need to know much to push my moving object out of a static object ground. In what direction? Come on. Dude, because I don't want to do this all manually. Like, I've done so much. Can I just get collision that just works? Dude, oh my god. What even is all this? What is that? Dude, what in the world? Okay, I'm gonna upload this to whatever. To GitHub. Just because I'm only like pasting in like all willy-nilly. How to use it? Collision, push X, player rect, ground rect. Do I just copy all of this and plop it in my game? I don't know if it's gonna work. All right. This isn't even vibe coding. It's just doing it for me. Yo, hello. This is a bad first impression. I don't usually use AI, but I'm trying to like, I just like don't want to do all this manually. Well, let's hope whatever this is works. Okay, how do I use it? Okay, so the exact vector to move the players so they're no longer overlapped. Can you help me? Making levels in the editor, the background every time is gray and white. What do you mean? Do you have preview mode on? Like, like when you're in the editor, well, there should be like a setting to like, I forget, are all the colors messed up? Like everything's like white and like pink and green and stuff? Because if that's the case, I think I know exactly what the problem is. Where's my... If collision equals is this gonna work? I don't think Redbox has a rectangle. If collision, then I need to break. You're welcome. Eject vector equals x push for I in map group. Do that. No way. I don't believe it. Okay. Value after must be an iterable, not player box. Redbox dot rec. Wait, hold on. Because it's a sprite, right? What am I looking for? You say in ground rec, but I'm images. How do I make this work? Dude, I hate vibe coding, but like if you do like most of it, that's fine. I just hate vibe coding on websites. Like so ugly always. It just needs X, Y, height, width, rotation. Ew! What? Okay, so we're comparing red box dot position dot x, or position 1, red box dot position 2, red box dot size twice, red box dot rotation. And then here, it's I dot pause 1. I forget how my map is set up. Yeah, so it should just be. I feel like I want to do dot x dot y, but I feel like it's not gonna work. I dot width. No, I dot size 1. Is it saved as a tuple or a vector? Vector 2 width height. Okay, so it should be dot x, I dot size dot y, I dot rotation. I don't think I have rotation defined. Self dot equals rot. This probably isn't gonna work. No, not at all. Oh. It's kind of working. It can get that it's inside. It just doesn't know, like, how much to push it out. Like I'm clicking manually, by the way. I mean, wait, it kind of works from the bottom. It's kind of not working. You see that? If eject vector. Potato mine's now in game. Nice. This still isn't working. Try it again. Is assigned before global declaration. The Declaration of Independence. Give you the link if you're able to try in the next message. You can't send links on YouTube. Is it gonna say it doesn't have a value? No, it just worked. Yo, okay, wait, hold on. It's working for the bottom, but not for the top. It's kind of like pulling me in the ground. I think I need to subtract it. Eject vector is not defined. It's kind of working. Right? Oh god. Oh god. It is really pushing me out slow. I mean, hey, I'm not touching my keyboard, and I'm kind of getting pushed out of the ground. I don't really know. It's not working that well. It's not working. Like at all. It's just like not. Let's try it again. No. Again, it's just like not working. Oh. Oh. I can tell it's reacting when I go through. But it's not. I don't know. Ooh, that was. You see, it's just kind of pushing me through. No, not on this one though. It's like it's not strong enough. It can't push me out. It's probably gonna break if I do this. Okay, well now it's like pushing me out. I'm not jumping, by the way. I'm not touching anything. It's not pushing me out fast enough. It's... Initially push before physics continues. Okay, all that. Huh, wait, hold on. Okay, well, it just removed, like, my jumping, but whatever. Well, here it's saying plus equals. I don't know why it's doing that. If collision... Plus? What? Why does it want me to do that? Just want that. Alright, stupid co-pilot. Object vector. Hello. Please don't break. It is really not letting me get up there. Oh my god. Oh my god. That didn't work at all. It just like flung me out of the map. Object vector, it's global. Huge push. Well, then instead of adding it, set it, you stupid. Like, why would I set it to 0 then add it when I can just set it to that high game vector and int. So is it working? Oh god. I'm flying. Okay, I'm just gonna remove that. I'm floating. It's just not working at all. Applying the MTV is canceling gravity every frame. Oh my god, why would I reset it? Okay, fine. Alright, let's see if this thing works. Probably isn't gonna work. Cause it's stupid, dude. Where's this thing going? There. I feel like it's getting really fed up with me. Yeah, it just doesn't work. Collision where it's not associated with a value. For tile. Wait, hold on. I'm so confused. What is this aligned to? 1, 2. Oh. Like that. Red box velocity is missing. Dude, I didn't even do that. Hold on. I'm gonna fix this. Come on, Gemini. Okay, so it's like... I'm still here. It's just like I'm hold on. It's like it's like I'm using Gemini and my Google's like my full name. Just because I just don't I kind of give up. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's see if stupid GPT can do it. Putting it in a separate file because I just like want to. Okay, so change the background. And completely ruin my game. Just doesn't work at all anymore. That's so great. I just, yeah. It just doesn't work at all now. Dude, get out of here. That's why you can't vibe code. It just doesn't work at all. Ever. It just never works. This isn't working. Give me my human-made code back. That's the stuff. The stuff that actually works. Pretty great, huh? Why does my collisions... Like, why does this have to be so difficult? I know exactly what I need to do. I just don't know how to do it. So shadows are really tanking my game. I wish AI wasn't so stupid, because I want it to help me, but it's just like not working at all. It's just not working. Also, what even is this? I don't need that website open anymore. I'm so, like, I got it working in Scratch, and I can't get it working. This is better than I could ever do. I even got ceiling collision, like, half working. And I didn't do any of this stupid stuff. Look, and it uses an image. It's all just raycasting, though, which is very computational. I don't even know. I should use boxes, because then I can have a map editor, and then it's just like, it's cool and stuff. But I don't know. I don't know, man. I just want it to work. I'm not even touching it. It's like pushing me off. See that? That's weird. I'm getting kind of tired. How long have I been streaming for? We'll never know. We'll never know. It just doesn't say. Reopen chat. How long? 3 hours. That's a 3-hour long live stream. I mean, I did make a lot of work. Let me just slow my map in again. There it is. I did get a lot. Dude, I need to optimize my shadows. Look how bad it's running. Oh my goodness. That's horrible. Yeah, I mean, I got my, like, my whole, like, stuff loaded. I think I'm done for today, though. Like, I'm getting kind of tired, and I didn't realize how difficult this was going to be, so I'll probably leave it to another day. I might stream this again tomorrow. I don't really know, though. Like, it should be so easy. Just push it out. The amount of overlap on the side that I'm on. It's that easy. It just doesn't. I don't understand. And there's no good tutorials because half the Pi games half the games that use Pi games suck. They're like baby games. Whatever. Okay. And that's it for my stream today, I think. As always, if you made it to the end, or if you're still here, thank you for sticking around. That's all I have today. I still gotta figure out what I'm doing tomorrow for my stream. I might do demon grinding again. Whatever. I don't know. But anyways, have a great rest of your day or night, whatever. And